welcome to Sparkle and Chill. Today we are going to unbox. I'm not fat, I'm fluffy. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't even tell you how happy I am I got this. I had no idea she was this big. I really need to read dimensions and stuff before I order things because she's pretty big. If I could just get the plastic off now. So, I'm Not Fat, I'm Fluffy by Randall Spangler. 22 by 22 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 55.6 centimeters. On the side you can see she has 46 colors, including 1 aurora borealis and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds is 40,804. They really did a good, I really like that they started putting the pictures of the whole painting on the box. Let's get her out and see what she's got inside. Here's the standard toolkit. This one's fun because I always had just the small ones from DAC because all my paintings have been the littler ones from DAC, and this one you can see the size difference of the tray. Set that aside now. Inside is your single placer, extra single placer. I never have replaced one of those, so interesting. Paddle, pink wax, and then a 7 placer. Your twist and pick pin. This one has the not the wax, but the I can't think of what it's called right now. The putty instead of the wax. There's an extra plate of putty. I give those to my friend because she uses them, I don't. She likes the putty. I don't like the putty so much. I think it's because depending on the climate or what's going on, if it gets too warm, it's really stringy, and so I prefer the wax. Okay. Oh, and there was 15 baggies, which is pretty usual. And your sticker book. I like it because you can put the date you start. All that stuff can go into your logbook, which I'm going to start doing soon, now that I have a logbook. I haven't kept track of time frames and stuff on paintings, and I'm gonna change that here. That's what we're gonna be doing this next couple months. Everything back in there. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's see, what did we get? Oh, it was a bronze card. Always a bronze card. There it is. Oh, yep, there it is. Isn't she cute, though? She's so pretty and fluffy. All right, let's get to the fun part. Let's see what she looks like. I'm so excited. I've not had one this big before. Ooh. Look at those eyes. Those bright blue eyes. My mom had a cat with bright blue eyes. It was a interesting cat. It didn't like anybody but her, and it was mean. Oh, look at that. I love the collar. Bright blue collar. Heart. Look at those drills. Let's flatten it out a bit. Pull this back ever so gently. And voila, it lays flat. Mostly. Enough for what we're trying to do. This did come with the red lines on it, but it didn't transfer to the picture at all. I know that in the past they had issues with that. Most of them are lined with a gray now instead of that red, so I'm not sure if this was just been sitting on the shelf for a while since they changed all that. Possibly. I really thought it was going to be a much smaller painting when I ordered it for some reason, but this is going to be the biggest one I've ever done. I've mostly done the 40 by 30s and some a little bit bigger, like a 40 by 40, but I haven't done one quite this big before. I'm not quite sure what I was pointing out about the case, but you know. And here, let's get into the drills. First, it is labeled on the top, so if you are a person who likes to store your drills separately from your paintings, though I don't know why you would when they come with the nice box, but all of my, what do you call them, budget ones, I store most of them separately because then I can put the paintings in the book to help flatten them out before I work on them. So all my drills are in a little cubby by my art desk. So let's get into them. Trying not to ruin the bag so I can put them back in there. Although they never quite go in the same way they came, do they? Trying to find the middle there, or the end. It's quite a long train. Look at that blue. Orange. There's a hitchhiker in there. That gold. The hitchhiker in that one too. I think they just, as they're going through the thing, sometimes they slip out. I really love the vibrant colors in this. Even though it's, basically a white cat, they do variegate her fur, so it's not going to be just one color the whole time. That's good. A couple of those. Some of the ABs and the fairy dust. The green AB there. And then that gold fairy dust will be up and around all the fun kitty stuff. Not too many blacks. 3 tens. A hitchhiker in the yellow there. I didn't have them holding up high enough. I apologize for that. Kind of knew the way I was doing it. Oh, there. I finally realized I can't see what I'm recording, so it's hard to tell if it's right in the camera or not. Now I'm trying to show you the drill fill here, but apparently I did not get close enough to the camera for it to really show you. But I can tell you it's very clear. This isn't going to be a difficult one to do at all as far as how it's marked. I'm pointing out where some of the ABs would go, I think. Yeah, right up in there, the greens for and then along the food treats and stuff like that. And around the rim of the bowl, all that gold color, or copper color, I guess. It's going to be in there. I think it's going to be really cute. Really cute. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. But I've got to come up with the space to work on it. I like working on an easel, and I don't have an easel that's big enough for this, so I've got to figure out how to do that. Isn't she pretty? I'm just going to do a little panorama of it, or pan around to show you all the intricate details. I love it. Sardines, tuna, treats, cat shoes, kitty milk. Again, I was trying to get into that drill fill, but I never really got to where you could read it on the camera, but it is very easy to read. And I love her tag. Sorry about that. Make me dizzy. I love that the dish is purple. Well, I really hope you liked this video. I'm going to show you here in a second why we had to do this as a voiceover. And here they are, the noisy little critters. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, share with your friends. Have a great day. Bye now.